In this question, if you see assertion question, it's told in the problem that A is a 2 cross 2 square matrix with non-zero entries. So I can write this as A, B, C, D. This is 2 cross 2. Non-zero entry means A not equal to 0, B should not become equal to 0, C should not become equal to 0, D should not become equal to 0. And it's also told in the problem that A square is equal to I, which means A into A is equal to I. So I can write here ABCD multiplied with ABCD, that is equal to 1001. So I can write A square plus BC, A square plus BC, AB plus BD, AB plus BD, AC plus CD, and then BC plus D square, that is equal to 1001. Is it okay? Now what can we write here now? We can write this implies to me that A square plus BC should be equal to 1. And in the meantime, AB plus BD should be equal to 0. So B common, A plus D should be equal to 0. B is not equal to 0, right? It's given in the problem B not equal to 0. This implies A plus D should be equal to 0 or A should be equal to minus D. Similarly, AC plus CD should be equal to 0, right? So C times A plus D should be equal to 0. C is not equal to 0. This implies A plus D should be equal to 0. C not equal to 0 is given here. Is it right? Therefore, what is the value of A is equal to? Again, we'll end up with the same conclusion. And BC plus D square, that is equal to 1. BC plus D square is equal to 1. So I can write A is equal to root over 1 minus BC and D should be equal to minus of root over 1 minus BC. Why? Because D should be equal to minus A or A should be equal to minus D. A should be equal to minus D or D should be equal to minus A or D should be equal to minus A. Is it right? Both mean the same. Now what we can do is we can write the matrix A can be written as like this: root over 1 minus BC, then B, C and root over minus of root over 1 minus BC. Now you know that trace of the matrix A is nothing but the sum of principal diagonal elements of the matrix. Root 1 minus BC minus root over 1 minus BC, that is equal to 0. Trace of the matrix is how much here in this case? 0. So and also now the question is asking you to calculate the determinant of this. Determinant of the matrix A, that is equal to determinant of root over 1 minus BC, then B, then C and minus of root over 1 minus BC. Is it not? So determinant of the matrix A is equal to 1 minus BC with the minus sign minus BC, that is equal to minus 1 is what we get. So by looking at the answer, we can mark the options here now. Trace of the matrix 0 is correct. Determinant value of A is equal to minus 1. Okay, so whatever corresponds to the option will be the answer.